What is the GO&GO Automatic Motorbike Washing Machine and how does it work? In an era where technology is changing every day, automation has been penetrating every area of life, from smart home, self-driving motorbike to service industries such as motorbike washing. One of the trends that many investors, shop owners, and business people are interested in today is automatic motorbike washing machine. So what is the GO&GO Automatic Motorbike Washing Machine and how does it work? And why has this model become the top choice for those who want to open a modern, professional, and fast recovery motorbike washing shop? Let's explore the detail below. The GO&GO Automatic Motorbike Washing Machine is the high-tech device manufactured by CDS Company Limited, specializing in automatic motorbike washing, replacing the traditional motorbike washing methods that take a lot of time, effort, and depend on human resources. The machine is compactly and intelligently designed, suitable for areas from 30 to 50 square meters. This is an effective investment solution trusted by many motorbike wash, motorbike shops, as well as trained model investors. Unlike conventional high-pressure motorbike washer, GO&GO machine offer a closed motorbike wash experience, fast, clean, consistent, professional, and synchronous. The machine operates fully automatically according to a smart 5-step process, pre-programmed and adjustable according to actual needs. Step 1. Spray the motorbike wet with the automatic nozzle system. When the motorbike is pushed into the washing chamber, the central system will automatically activate the nozzle to wet the entire body of the motorbike. The purpose is to soften the dirt and make the next step for efficiency. Step 2. Spray superfine snow foam to cover the entire motorbike. The machine will spray a thick, smooth layer of snow foam, covering evenly from the front to the back of the motorbike. This layer of foam not only clean, but is also friendly to the motorbike paint and plastic surface. Step 3. Wash the chassis and body of the motorbike with a water pressure system and force-spring brush. This is an important step of the machine. The flexible rotating smart water pressure nozzle system will spray high pressure from many directions, cleaning the chassis, wheel, exhaust pipe, and all corners that are difficult to reach by hand. In addition, there are 2 body scrubbing brushes and 2 separate grill scrubbing brushes. Thanks to that, the washing quality is always consistent, deep clean, and does not miss anything. Step 4. Rinse all soap and dirt. The high-pressure nozzle system continues to operate to rinse all soap and dirt foam out, leaving the motorbike surface sparkling clean. Step 5. The operator takes the vehicle out and blow it dry. Finally, the operator will take the vehicle out and dry it, especially the rear view, mirror, brake lever, spoke, and neck of the vehicle. This will not only have the vehicle dry, but also create a professional feeling in the eye of the customer. Total time for the one wash is only about 3 to 4 minutes. That means in 1 hour, you can service from 15 to 20 motorbikes, 3 to 4 times more efficient than traditional manual washing. 90% automation, only one operator required, easy to save manpower, save water and electricity thanks to the pressure regulation system and receive sensor. Fast, clean, even washing, improving customer experience. Durable design, easy to operate, suitable for even inexperienced beginner. Support programming according to needs, easy to expand the franchise chains. Low operating costs, easy to recover capital after 10 to 12 months. In particular, GO&GO also supports optimal floor plan layout, staff training instruction, marketing and customer attraction plans, business strategies consulting, and capital recovery models. Up to now, more than 300 automatic motorbike washing models using GO&GO machine have been operating stably, covering from north to south, from small retail shops, large garages, to chains model or combo of motorbike wash or exchange comprehensive motorbike. GO&GO does not just sell the machine. We accompany customers from beginning, from the idea of opening a shop. If you are looking for a new direction, a low-risk investment model, flexible capital, and high replication ability, then the GO&GO Automatic Motorbike Wash Machine is the choice worth considering. Come directly to GO&GO factory to visit and experience washing your motorbike completely free of charge.